Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Putok? Ha? Napunta sa kanya.
One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Jessica, make a wish. And blow your cake if you're ready. Alright! Once again. Jessica, happy birthday.
Salamat po.
And with that, I know nag-message ka na kanina, but what is your birthday wish?
My birthday wish is a secret. Ito na lang, yung ibang wish ko na lang, bukod sa health and ayan, yung humaba pa yung buhay ng family ko. Ayan, matagal ko pa silang makasama. Mas ma-enjoy pa yung fruit of labor namin mag-asawa. And sa ano din, yung peace. And syempre, more branches to come ng JT Samgyupsal and Cafe Mo. And may opening kami mamaya. Oh my God. Charis. So yun lang, thank you so much.
Doing well. I know it's been a while, but you're still in my head. I wonder if you think about me now and then, like I do right now about you. I wish it didn't have to end, but life is what it is, and I will try to mend.
Uy, nakabahan ako. Hindi na ako sarili. Ayan, first of all, maraming salamat for inviting me, Jess. Na-late lang si SK, pero ito, sobrang nanginginig ako ngayon kasi hindi na ako talaga sanay. Pero ayun, masasabi ko lang, happy 28th birthday. And despite the things na nangyayari ngayon, alam ko na iniandakan niya. Kasi hindi niya ibibigay sa'yo yun nang hindi mo kaya. And sobrang lucky mo kasi you have all the people na kailangan mo talaga. The love na ibibigay na namin sa'yo. Kasi sa mga panahon na, ayun, may mga pagsubok, hindi man kami ganun talagang laging nandyan. Life happens, lahat tayo may kaya-kaya, busy na yung iba. Lalo na kayo, bilang kayo ay mga nasa business world na talaga. Pero maraming salamat kasi nung mga times na nag-stop ako talaga sa pagbablog, si Jessica isa sa mga nag-reach out din sa akin. She asked me what's happening and she's willing to help. Ayun, dun ako talagang nagsabi na Jessica is one of the kindest people na makikilala natin lahat, na nakilala natin lahat. And from that, I'm wishing na sana kung ano may mga pagsubok na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon at sa mga susunod pa, alam ko malalagpasan mo yun kasi you have the kindest heart. And yun, happy 28th birthday, more birthdays to come and more slices. More cakes to slice and more candles to blow. Yan, happy birthday and yun, deserve mo lahat. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Talagang may pattern yung message niyo sa kanya. Ngayon na lang ulit kayo nagkita-kita. Wow, so parang mini reunion yun na to. Good job.
Happy birthday! Ayun, happy birthday, Jess. And actually, binigyan Choppy.
Ano daw?
Choppy.
Choppy ka pa rin, Jess. Choppy ka
Kasi
pa rin.
kaya ako, dunilingan ako. Hindi, sana na ma-enjoy mo tong birthday mo and take ko na rin itong opportunity para magpasalamat sa'yo dahil alam mo yun, si Jessica yung hindi ko makakalimutan na kaibigan. Maraming bagay na nangyari, madaming bagay na maganda nangyari sa amin and madami akong bagay na naranasan kundi dahil sa kanila mag-asawa. And thank you so much, Be. You know naman kung gaano ka-grateful and thankful sa inyo. So, hindi ako. Tumakbo kasi ako. So, thank you, Jess. And sa pag-invite din, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, then.
Choppy pa din.
Picture? And then next, I would like to call in Benty Andrew! Ay, alam mo, Jessica, ang galing niyang kumanta kanina.
Totoo.
Parang pinikilig na bata.
Oh my gosh. First of all, I would like to thank Isa and Kevin for inviting me here. Happy birthday, Jessica. Ngayon na lang kami nagkita after a month sa ata. So, happy birthday, Jessica. More candies of Lord, more birthday. So ako, happy birthday kay Jessica. And good health. Good health kay Jessica. And more blessings to come. Ingat ka palagi and stay healthy and fresh. Alam mo yan, always. And nandito lang kami ng mga way to always support you. Kasi nga, Jessica, support! I love you so much, sis.
Thank you.
I love you.
Thank you so much.
Picture daw, Andrea.
And please pass the microphone to BNB Aya.
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Ito talaga pinakamagaling.
Hindi ako sumali kanina. Kasi kailangan ni Ado pang kita. Umangkas lang ako sa kanya. Okay, pero happy birthday, Jess.
Thank you.
And more birthdays to come. More more cake to slice, more candles to blow. Yun lagi kasi yung bati niya sa amin lagi. And ayun, happy birthday. And kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo, manalat ko sa amin. Kasi you are so blessed. And you deserve everything. I love you, Jess.
Thank you.
Ngayon lang kami ulit nagkita sa sobrang tagal ng panahon. Panahon pa ata ng Kastila nung last namin nakita. And stay fresh. Tulad sabi nga ni Kelvin, kung ano man yung pagdadaanan nyo, kaya-kaya niyan. Kasi kayong Jess, di ba? Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Picture daw.
And please pass the microphone to Madam Ivan.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Jessica.
Thank you.
Bihira po ako magsalita na may gamit na mic. Pero yung birthday ni Jessica, I'll make an example.
Thank you, madam.
First of all, I would just like to say na sobrang proud ako kasi ang layo na nang narating mo. Sobrang proud ako. Hindi man ako lagi nanonood ng vlog mo, pero nakikita ko lahat ng mga achievements mo as well as your recent achievement. And I hope na sana magtuloy-tuloy yung progress ng health mo and tandaan mo lagi na kailangan mo magpahinga, hindi kasi Wonder Woman or ano. Magpahinga din kasi tandaan natin health yung wealth. And I would like to quickly welcome you to our maintenance team. Diba? Kasi may maintenance na rin po ako. So, huwag kakalimutan inumin ang mga gamot,
Correct.
diba? At magpahinga. Make time for yourself. Diba? So, ang wish ko talaga is gumaling ka and maging happy ka pa. I may not be always there for you, pero pag kailangan mo ng kausap or you want someone na mapagtaan mo ng ano, I will always be there. Sabihan mo lang.
Thank you. Love you,
Thank you
madam.
so much.
Picture
And now
daw.
please pass the microphone to Monmon. Let's go, Monmon. Ito pa hindi ka kumante. Sayang, dapat narinig natin yung boses nito kanina.
Joga girl siya. Si Joga girl talaga siya.
Si Joga Girl!
Wala siyang joga ngayon.
Wala.
Pare. Happy birthday. Mahal ka namin. Kami nila Nita at saka nila na Shindy. Proud kami sa'yo. proud kami sa'yo. Alala ng narating mo. God bless and magkadasal natin yung na-experience ko ngayon. Yun.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Sige po, picture taking. And now, please pass the microphone to Shindy.
Happy 28th birthday, Jess. Hindi ko makakalimutan na 28 na siya kasi dati, tanong siya ng tanong kung ilang taon na ako, tas ilan yung age gap namin. Ayun, gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang proud ako sa'yo kasi alam naman natin kung saan nagsimula yung buhay ni Jessica. Tapos susunduin namin siya sa bahay nila. kapag kahit nanghina na siya, ganyan. Kasi kailangan. Tapos ayaw niya magpa-check up, kailangan namin siyang pilitin. Ayun, sobrang inspiring ng buhay mo. Na hindi natin nakita na mangyayari yun. Kasi sa totoo lang, before, sobrang hina ng loob ni Jessica eh. Pero with Kevin, grabe. napaka-thankful namin na dumating si Kevin sa buhay mo na nung una, di ba? Hindi naman natin ine-expect talaga. Sinasabi pa kita na, sure ka na ba dyan? Kasi talking stage pa lang sila, umaasa na siya. Ayun. Tapos, ayan, sobrang deserve mo yung pagmamahal na nakuha mo kay Kevin. Sobrang, kasi, alam niyo ba, tinatawag namin si Jessica the crying diva kasi siya yung laging broken-hearted bukod kay Aye. So, ayun, ngayon di na siya yung the crying diva, the business diva, di ba? Tama na muna yung hard work sa business. Pahinga ka. Ayan. I hope you never lost your heart along the way. And ayun, sobrang masaya kami na nakikita yung buhay mo ngayon. Yung pinapangarap mo lang. And ayun, mas maging matapang ka. Kasi kailangan ka pa rin ng pamilya mo at mas kailangan ka ng sarili mo. Ayan, yun lang.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shirley.
Be a tough act to follow, and you better believe it. Just take a bite and see that it's gonna be too much to swallow. You better believe it. Yeah, I got one more trick, but you're gonna be a tough.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday naman! Happy birthday! Kaya ka pa eh! Happy birthday, Jessica!
Ang wish ng buong Upwards team is that may you be blessed more than what you deserve. So again, happy birthday and sana lahat ng wish mo is matupad.
Ikaw yung nakilala ko na content creator na hindi ka nag-attitude, gano'n, marunong ka tumingin sa pinanggalingan mo. Then sana hindi ka magbago, Mami Jessica, kung ano nakilala namin sa'yo, sana gawin ka pa rin. And then stay healthy and sana gumaling na po kayo tayo.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Picture tayo.
Next, sige na message, Lorraine.
Ayun na si Lorraine.
Hello, Lorraine. Oh! Ayan na, go na sis. Oh, na, hindi ka lang pala magsisimpla. 6 hours kasi yung biyahe ko.
Yun pala yun.
Sulitin mo, Lorraine.
Pero, ay, Mami Jessica, 6 hours yung biyahe ko. 6 hours ko na din family yung Jasmine. And, may potassium body. Lagi ako pinapagalitan dati kasi hindi ako umiinom ng gamot. Share ko lang to ha, pero pag sinusugod kasi ako sa hospital nung pandemic, lagi ako pinapagalitan ng dalawa. Ano tayo mo yun? Pero, meron akong notes, pero keyword lang siya. Hindi ko alam kung paano po ako magpapasalamat sa'yo kasi grabe, ikaw yung nag-survive ng pandemic, girlie ko. Like, nagkulong talaga ako sa room. Like, nagkasakit ako ng sobra, pero ikaw lang yung nag-survive ng pandemic ko. Ikaw yung kahit dalang araw, 24/7, lagi nandyan yung family ng Jasmine. Thank you din kay Kuya kasi hindi ko talaga alam paano masasurvive yung pandemic era ko. Nagkaroon ako ng second family, real family, masasabi kong real family. Kompleto na kami ngayon after 6 years.
Yay!
Iyak na ako. Thank you po sa mga lesson na binigay niyo sa akin. And enjoy ko talaga yung araw na to kasi sayang yung 6 hours talaga. Grabe! Tapos ako, paglabas mo, umiyak ako. Binidyo agad ako ni Kuya. Delete mo yun. Ayoko. Makikita ng nanay ko. Hindi ko siya magtitigan kasi nandito ako. Nabihiya ako. Pero yeah, thank you kasi condo days pa lang kayo ni Kuya. Nandiyan ako for us. Yun lang. I love you so much.
Thank you.
Palapakan natin si Lorraine.
Ngayon na tayo
Gusto
nagkinapitan
ko
tayo.
iyak siya and
Happy birthday. Tsaka thank you kay Kevin sa pag-invite sa amin tapos kay Ashley.
Happy birthday, Bev. Grabe, ang dami nung nang pinagdaanan. Hindi ako prepared, so raw na lang. Dahil mo pinagdaanan, hindi man tayo lagi nag-uusap, pero super saya ako sa lahat ng achievements mo in life. Short lang to, I wish you all the best, good health, and more blessings to baka umiyak pa.
Kami po yung may-ari ng Molino Bacoor branch. So, nagpapasalamat din kami sa kanila mag-asawa kasi marami din kami natulungang mga staff nung nagtayo kami ng business. Actually, hindi naman po kami talaga in food industry, kundi sa construction po kami. Pero nung nakilala po namin sila, kumbaga parang natuto na rin po kami na hindi matulog sa gabi. Laging puyat. Kasi nga, laging nasa store, kailangan i-manage mo yung mga staff, gano'n. At nakikita rin namin sa kanila kung gaano sila kasipag. At the age of 28, eto na po yung narating nila. Kaya, kumbaga sa amin, proud kami sa kanila kung ano yung narating nila ngayon. Kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan natin, tungkol sa kalusugan natin, sabi nga ni Sir Kevin, dadaanan lang natin yan, malalagpasan natin yan. Lalo ka na, alam namin na brave ka, kayang-kaya mo yan. So, wala naman tayong pagsubok na hindi natin malalagpasan. At lagi kang kasama sa panalangin namin na sana yun, tuluyang gumaling. No? Yun nga, iwas din sa maraming trabaho. No? Oo, pahinga. Yun yung ano natin doon, word natin, pahinga talaga dapat.
Oh my gosh, I'm not ready for this talaga. To my business partner, Ninang, sister, oh my gosh, happy birthday. Kahit wala akong driver, naghanap ako ng driver, makapunta lang dito. At yun, happy birthday. At pinagpe-pray kita lagi na sana gumaling ka na at sana malampasan nyo kung ano yung mga pinagdadaanan nyo. And sobrang thankful ko kasi nakilala ko kayo. At isa sila sa mga mababait na taong nakilala ko. At lagi kasi ako nagdadasal na sana ilapit ako ni Lord sa mga pure at mababait na tao at isa kayo doon. At talagang pinapahalagan ko yung relationship natin and I love you. Happy birthday.
Alright, Mama Vegan, Kuya Mark, please close your eyes, make a wish. Mama, if you're ready, 3, 2, 1, blow your cake. Alright, once again, palakpakan po natin silang tatlo. Thank you po kasi you're not just treating us as your fan, but tinitreat mo kami as someone na close mo, someone na anak mo, someone na pwede kaming lumapit sa'yo anytime. And thank you kasi kayo ni Kuya yung nagparamdam sa akin. Yung nagparamdam sa akin na special ako ng birthday ko. So, ayun. Thank you kasi you're inspiring us with the sa lahat ng ginagawa mo in life. Thank you for making us happy. Thank you for being someone na pwede kaming makakuha ng lessons in life. Actually, 12 years old pa lang po ako nung naging kanya po ako. And lahat po ng taong nakakasalamuha ko, laging sinasabi sa akin na sobrang ayos ko kausap. And kapag nakakausap ko sila about life, nai-inspire din sila kasi I learned from the best. I learned from my mommy and kuya. I learned from Jasmine. And ayun yung lagi kong ipagmamalaki sa ibang tao na nakasama ko sila and nagbigyan nila ako ng mga words of wisdom na habang buhay ko pong babaunan. Ayun lang po. Happy birthday, Mommy, and I hope you know na lagi akong nandito for you. Lagi akong nasa likod mo. I will always be someone na supporter mo kahit anong mangyari. Love na love ko kayo ni Kuya.
Palakpakan natin si Juliana. Sobrang proud kami sa lahat ng mga na-achieve ni Jessica. Kasi yun nga, nag-start, alam naman natin kung saan siya nag-start. So yun lang, Jess, proud kami sa lahat ng mga success mo in life. And andito lang kami lagi. Ayan. I love you.
Thank you sa pagsama sa mga trip namin pag nagka-travel. Mapamalamig man yan or mainit. Ano pa? Halos nasabi na kasi ng lahat eh. Hindi na ako mag-wish ng more blessings to come kasi overflowing na yung blessings na dumadating sa'yo sa young Justin. Siguro ano na lang, stay humble, know your people, and cheers to a good life.
Yon, thank you so much, Chad.
Happiness, and then walang stress, wala talagang mga away as until now, sana. And then lagi lang namin pinaplano is yung travel kasi yun yung isa sa mga visions namin. So to travel the world, to discover the world, and to explore the world. So time to time, lagi kaming may mga nadidiscover sa isa't isa hanggang madaling araw kasi limited lang yung days na magkakasama tayo. So lahat yun tinitreasure namin. Even sa pagkain, lahat kino-consider natin. So gaya nga na sabi ni Chad, from malamig, mainit, pawisan tayo, mamaktol man tayo, lahat tayo magiging masaya dahil yun lang din yung gusto natin sa isa't isa. And then, for the next few years, at saka alam ko at tanda tayo na magkakasama, dahil sa hirap at ginhawa, sa saya, sa lungkot, lagi tayong magkasama. Hindi man po kami nakikita sa mga social medias, nakita man kami na magkakasama lang kami sa travel, pero po behind doon po sa yung mga post-post na yan, lagi po kami nag-uusap at alam po namin yung mga nangyayari sa isa't isa. So lagi lang kami nandito. Malaysia is always open to both of you. It's your second home and we're always ready to accept you gaya nung ginawa namin from the day na nakilala namin kayo. Love you, sis!
Happy ako kasi hanggang nakakasurvive ka sa lahat ng trials na nararanasan mo. At sa ngayon pa lang na dumarating na isosurvive mo pa rin siya. Good health na lang at lagi mong isipin mo na yung sarili mo. Sa ngayon kasi alam mo namin na may pinagdadaanan ka. Yung family namin pinagpipray ka rin na makapag-survive at gumaling. Happy birthday.
Thank you sa wish ko lang sa'yo na good health. Saka, andito lang kami lagi ng kuya ko. Lagi lang kami suporta. Yun lang. Sana, ano lang. More blessing lang sa'yo.
So, sobrang, baka masira. No? So, ayan, thank you so much sa lahat. Kasi kami mga kaibigan. Naiiyak. Hindi, thankful ako sa lahat. Kasi, sobrang generous si Jessica talaga. Kasi kung kulang na lang isama niya kami sa lahat ng gala niya, sa lahat ng napupuntahan niya, sa lahat ng natitikman niyang pagkain, pag kinukwento pa lang niya sa amin, parang kailangan laging nandun kami, gano'n. Pero syempre, di ba, may mga kanya-kanya tayong priorities pa rin naman, tsaka may work pa rin naman ako. So, ayun, sobrang thankful ako talaga sa iyo, sis. Tapos binigyan mo pa ako ng work, ayan. Ayun, thank you so much. And alam ko naman na sobrang kulang na lang lahat talaga ng kaibigan mo, bigyan mo ng trabaho eh. Alam ko naman yun na gusto mo sa talagang lahat tulungan. And ayun, enjoy your day. Kaya talaga sobrang inano namin na ma-surprise ka talaga kasi deserve mo rin naman talaga na yung mga pagmamahal at ng mga nandito na tao, nagmamahal sa'yo talaga. So, ayun, happy birthday!
Sige, next. Ano po ang nickname ni Jessica? Sige. Sige, Aye. Kalbo. Kalbo. Sige, Nonon. Pochi. Rimuel. Ambo. Buglat. Talaga, parang ano mo, parang parang binubuking ka, no? Sorry, that's what I meant. Sige, sino pa? Wala. Ikaw, Belle. Ambo din ang sagot. Sige, 2 for Ambo. Wow. May survey. How about this table? Ma'am Sheila? May hula kayo? Hindi, wala. Fans? Wala. The correct answer is yung unang sumagot, Ambo. Yun po yung nilagay dito ni Asha. Ambo. Bakit Ambo? What's the history about Ambo?
Yung kalbo po talaga. Kaso, ang madalas kasing tawag sa akin ng mama ko, Ambo. Di ko na lang alam kung siguro nilandian niya na lang para hindi pangit. Hindi kalbo, pero Ambo, ayan. Kaya yun na yung tawag niya sa Ambo.
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. When she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jessica!
From GK sa yung talent cafe mo. Happy birthday, Ma'am Jessica! Happy birthday, Ma'am Jessica! More birthdays to come from JK9!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jessica from GMA!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jessica! Salud from JK Family Dance Branch!
Happy birthday, Jess! Wishing you joy and success and good health always. Keep inspiring and shining.
May you reach more growth and your health even stay stronger. Happy birthday and see you soon!
Pochi, Ate Ren here. I wanted to greet you happy birthday. May you have all the best favors on your special day. Know that we're here for you. We know what's going on because we always watch your vlog. So even if we don't talk much lately, we always pray for you and know that we are very proud of you. Again, happy birthday and take care always. Love you.
Hi Jessica, happy birthday! I hope you are having an amazing time with your friends and your family there kung nasa man kayo ngayon na nagse-celebrate ng special day mo. And sana patuloy lang yung good health mo and kaya mo yan, yung change of lifestyle mo para sa ikabubuti mo rin yan. And sana yung construction ng house ninyo, it goes smoothly rin and sana matapos na rin yan para makapasyal na rin kami sa inyo. And also, I hope to see you guys very very soon. Kung hindi man dyan, sana dito or sa mang parte ng mundo. Magpalakas ka, magpagaling ka, mabuhay ka sa sa iyong kaarawan, and sana lahat ng wishes mo will come true. Patuloy lang kayong maging masaya ni Kevin, patuloy lang kayong maging successful sa life, and also wag kakalimutan always pray, okay? Your USA family will always be behind you. I will always be here for you guys. Kung ano man ang kailangan ninyo, isang message lang kami away sa GC natin. So I hope you will have a wonderful, amazing, masaya na birthday dyan kasama lahat ng friends and family mo, okay? Bye! Hope to see you soon. I miss you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jessica. Enjoy your special day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Jessica!
Hello, hello! I heard someone very special is having a birthday, and here I am to celebrate with you in spirit and in video. My baby girl, Jessie baby, you are an inspiration to a lot of us. Your journey from humble beginnings to your success through hard work to rewarding yourself with seeing the world. All these with your loyal and loving husband by your side. Shout out Kevin Boo. In sickness and in health, for richer or for poorer, you may kiss the bride. Have a blessed birthday, Jessie baby. May God bless you with the gift of healing. Padayon lang. I love you, Jessie baby and Kevin Boo. Mwah.
Hi Jessica, it's Tita Becky here. I just want to wish you happy birthday. God gave you one body and you are taking care of it. So that means you're going to live longer, to enjoy life. You are going to travel more. You're going to accomplish more things. You're going to be able to do so many things that you want to do. I'm so proud of you. You know, I've always been proud of you. I'm one of your biggest supporters and I'm always here for you. To Kevin, thank you so much for taking care of Jessica. You are amazing. Continue to love each other, take care of each other, and I love you guys so much. Again, happy birthday, Jessica, and I hope to see you guys soon.
Happy birthday, Jessica, from Tompkins family.
Hello, happy birthday.
Wish you good health and all your lab draw or your lab test, all good and great number. Yes, and see you soon. Kuya August gonna say something.
What's up?
Say something.
Something.
Come on, Daddy.
All right, have a happy birthday. Hope you get everything you want.
Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees.
Happy birthday, Jessica!
I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.